And welcome back to my virtual classroom. For those that are new to my class, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for your attendance today. Now for our Fun Facts episode today, we will be talking about the facts about IKEA. Yes, you heard me right. So we will be going to IKEA, but let's put a bit of a twist in our facts and episode for today. We will have a 50 ringgit challenge. So we will go to IKEA and buy something not more than 50 ringgit. What can we buy in IKEA with our 50 ringgit? This is around 500 pesos. Alright, so I hope that you would enjoy our episode for today about fun facts or facts about IKEA. Let's go! Wow. That's how lovely. Oh, this is so cute. I like the... Wow. Can I have this kind of house? Can I build this kind of house? Wow, amazing. What is this? Fact number 1. Did you know that the founder of IKEA, Ingvar Kamprad, was only 17 in 1943 when he founded IKEA? And you know that he got the money from his allowance from his father. I like the idea. Yeah. Wow, this is so nice. Let me just... Seriously, this is so nice. Wow. Electric stove. Let's go to the bedroom. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, fun fact actually, fact, the word IKEA is an abbreviation of the name of the owner. Wow, this is so nice. Wow. Toilet. I think the idea of small toilet is really nice. If I'm staying alone, I'll have those kind of toilet. Wow, this is so nice. Children's room. Oh. I could actually sleep here. I think this is my size. Oh, so good. Actually, I like this idea. Garlic, onion. Oh. But this one is just press. Yeah, press? Sorry, I'm living on a not so golden age. Oh, just press. Okay, now I've found a new thing. Just press it. Where is it? Press. Oh, then it opens. Wow.
What do you put on here?
Cups, the glass, you know, the one with the,
Oh.
yeah. Fact number 2. Though IKEA synonymously sell furnitures nowadays, but originally, do you know that they only sell like small goods such as wallets, such as picture frames, and some good stuff. The covers. Living room area. Living room. L shape. Oh, so cute. I like the L shape one. I think this is the pull out. Yeah, pull out. See? Oh, so cute. Pull out where you want to have a bed. Yeah. Yeah, I think you fold it. Yeah, this one. Can be. So, oh, the one. So this is the flat, and then if you fold it, oh, the beds are. Oh, these are pull out. These are pull out bed. See? Whoa, 4,000.
But you get 2 in one.
Yeah. I mean, if your place is like small. Ooh. Oh. Oh, this is a corner bookshelf. Man, I really love this. I really love this place. Amazing. Fun fact number 3. Do you know that the name IKEA is actually an acronym that stands for Ingvar Kamprad from Elmtering, a gunnery in Sweden? That's another learning that you have there. Fun fact number 4. Did you know that in 1986, the headquarters of IKEA moved from Sweden to the Netherlands so that they will pay fewer taxes?
346 minutes later.
Hi everyone, and I'm back at home after going to IKEA. It was such a tiring day. So we bought 3 things for our 50 ringgit challenge. One is I bought this small size container where I will be placing some of my jewelries or fashion jewelries and other stuff. So each of this is 150 ringgit, and so 2 pieces, that is 3 ringgit. Okay, so that's 3 ringgit, around 35 pesos or 33 pesos. Okay, and then we have this food container. It's a 3 pieces food container here. 3 pieces food container, and this costs food container 24.90, so that's around 250 ringgit. It's quite expensive though, but the quality, you should see, it's really nice. Okay, so 3 on a box, on a set, so that's around 250 pesos, so that's 24.90. And then the last one that we bought is this. I really need this. So this is the chair cushion. I'm going to put this on my chair, on my study table, where I do my online classes and my live stream. So this one costs 19.90. 19.90. This is a Justina chair pads. And just for another fact about IKEA, actually the names, do you know that they name this, the naming system is actually based on a certain object or place in Sweden, in the Netherlands, or in Norway. So they take like different places, they name it. Okay, so that's a fact. They name it accordingly to a certain place. So in total we have 24.90 for our food container. This is 19.90, and this is 3. That's a total of 47.80. Yes, that's correct. So 47.80. So we were just right on the budget that we actually did for a challenge, which is 50 ringgit. So we spent 47.80 for our IKEA challenge. So I hope that you actually enjoyed our video today, our episode today for our Fun Facts episode, and I hope that you have learned something as well. And as always, as Teacher Maria would say before we end our episode today, do live your life to the fullest, learn something new every day, and love one another as how our God loves us. See you next Fun Facts episode in our next video. Bye!